Hi, welcome with another question of chapter 4 linear equations in two variable exercise 4.3 of class 9th NCERT. Our question number 1 is draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variable. Equation is x plus y is equal to 4. So we will first of all we have to find the solutions of the given equation that we have already done in our previous exercise 4.2. How to solve the equation, how we have to find the solutions of the given equation. So now we will find the solutions. I am writing it like this: x is equal to 4, this y will go to that side, 4 minus y. Now I will take the value of y to find out the value of x. Put y is equal to 1, x is equal to, now I will put this value in this equation, 4 minus 1, x is equal to 3. So for y is equal to 1, value of x is 3. I am writing it in the table. Now put y is equal to 1, minus 1 I can take now. X is equal to 4 minus y. This is my equation. I will put this value in this equation. X is equal to 4 minus 1. X is equal to 4 minus plus. So x is equal to 5. Now for value of y is equal to minus 1, value of x is 5. So this is the another solution. Put y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4 minus y is my equation. X is equal to 4 minus 2. X is equal to 2. So for value of y is equal to 2, value of x is 2. So these are my three solutions. X is 3, y is 1, x is 5, y is minus 1, x is 2, y is 2. So minimum we can take 2 और maximum आप जितना लेना चाहे वो ले सकते हैं. 3, 4, 5 you can take. Right? Now this is my Cartesian plane. Right? This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the origin. Now I will put these values on the graph. I have drawn it with pen so that you can see it well, right? So that कि आप अच्छे से इसको देख सके. Otherwise, it is required to draw it with the pencil. You should draw it with pencil, with sharpened pencil. So first of all, I have value of x, that is 3, and y is 1. I will put it in this. X is 3, y is 1. So this is my required point. I will write it here, 3 and 1. Next is x is 5, y is minus 1. X is 5 and y is minus 1. 5 minus 1. And the third one is x is 2, y is 2. X2, Y2. Right? So these, you can see these points are collinear in a straight line. Now I will join this line. Here also 2, 2. So this is the required graph. If you liked my video, like, share and subscribe.